go. Starting the day off. We got some pattern carpet to do today. It's a Chevron pattern, so it's going to be kind of nice. It's a loop pile carpet. So we're going to start in the master bedroom, and we got that carpet with us right now. We'll tack strip pad and install that, and then we might start on the other one. I don't know, we'll see, but might end up being 2 days over here, so we'll just check it out and see what's going on. This is the master bedroom that we are doing today. Let me do that way you can see better. I'm kind of shocked, actually, how small these rooms are, except for the main rooms, because of the house. I mean, you got that tiny little entryway right there is what comes out to the rest of the house there. So just a little weird, I think, how everything's set up for it being such an immaculate house. Anyway, this is a drop bedroom, surprisingly. Drop master bedroom. So we're going to start getting stuff out and getting going, okay? This is a 12 pick backing right here. Really good carpet going over a really good pad. This is a horsehair, which is super nice and should be. And they even double stripped it. So whoever did this install actually did good. They did leave their gully a little bit big right there. So I probably will replace this, even though it is double stripped. I'll probably still replace it because that's about a 1/2 inch right there. And we're putting a nice thin carpet down, and that's just going to be too much. Also, you can see what they did here. They doubled their strip, then they did a single layer and run their felt up over the single strip. I'll be putting 3/8 shim right here to make that good. Also, I'll be contouring the tack strip a lot better than this to them door casings. But overall, looks like somebody took a little pride in their work right here. This is simply to have a little bit more support. I rocked that out about an hour. Put another 1/4 inch on top of it so we can get our 1/2 inch, and it extends it out a little bit more, so it fans it a little bit more. Then I've got triangle pieces cut to go right there. And all of that will be glued and stapled. These are already glued. Fixing to finish this out. And there we go. Cock-a-doodle-doo. So you spend twice as much money on tack strip to use Tri-Tack, just so you can be more of a professional installer using Tri-Tack where it's meant to be used in different situations and such, and then you end up having to deal with stuff like this. Just an absolute shame. Here you are trying to do quality work, and you have to deal with garbage like this. Spending twice as much to do quality work, as a matter of fact, and then dealing with this. That's what it is right there. Anchor. I knew it was garbage. I was sad when the carpet store got Anchor, and I said I need some Tri-Tack. I was like, oh man. But once that's used up, I will be finding my own source so I can find some quality tack strip. Okay, we now have everything is tack stripped and padded, we are now ready to go get some carpet. You might say, what in the world is all the tape about? Well, there is animals here, and the lady did buy this, I'm sure, because of her dogs. She did buy this, I'm sure, for the moisture barrier. So anytime you are using moisture barrier, and that's the reason why the client bought it, you want to treat it as a moisture barrier. All your staple holes, any cuts or holes, punctures, or anything needs to be sealed up. So everywhere we stapled, we now have sealed back up with a waterproof tape and are ready to bring that carpet right in that back door. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I did do this too. I've only done this a couple times. I actually put 2 layers of felt down here instead of 1 to help with the profiling, and we are laying a thin carpet, so wanted to double that felt. It's still got plenty of pin sticking out there to get a hold, but again, it's going to help with the profiling and puncturing through. Okay, so this is it. I chose to start down here, stretch that way, and then come up toward me in this room for the simple fact we got all these little insets and stuff here. We got Z-bar right there, and also we got big doors right here. So honestly, that's really the only thing that made sense, was to stretch off of this solid wall, stretch off of that solid wall. We do have a bathroom doorway, no problem. 6 inches down there, 9 rows over. Fixing to come right here. Now when I say 9 rows over, I mean from the edge of the carpet, not from the wall. 6 inches from the wall, 9 rows from the edge of the carpet. Fixing to boom, boom, measure, kick my headpiece over. I do have a stretch right here. Fixing to get this on 6 inches, which is now about 6.5. Get that set, get it pushed over to 6 inches, set this wall, continue stretching my way.